Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. Today we're going to be talking about the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the Bitcoin halving. We're going to be analyzing the Bitcoin, see where the price is going to go, and then we're going to go over some very important news on what's going on with the Trezor, and then we're going to analyze some articles on Bitcoin price. I am your host Eric, and this is my partner Lalo, and let's get to it.
Revolution, 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 revolution.
Let's do it. A ver. Alright, so this is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We are greedy still. Greedy. 55. So I guess we're close to neutral, but a little greedy. Bitcoin halving clock. You guys have 87 days to start accumulating Bitcoin. 87 days, 13 hours, 32 minutes, and 5 seconds. Alright, so this has been my prediction for... Has it been since December, dude?
Yeah.
That I've been saying that Bitcoin's gonna go to 32K?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Last month.
Was it last month?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I'm still saying. Okay, so let me look at this indicator right quick at Logs Algo. So now Logs Algo on the 4-hour chart is saying that we're gonna go to possibly 38K on the 4-hour. On the daily, ooh, so it changed. Yeah, so $38 dollars. So if we look at these levels, right here is a big traffic zone. So it is possible to see Bitcoin crash between 38 and 35, 5-ish. Yeah. If we don't hold 40,000, we're gonna go down to 38. And if we don't hold 38, most likely we're gonna go down to these levels down here at 32, between 32 and 30,000. So those are my predictions. I'm still saying we're gonna go lower before we go higher.
Okay.
And that's pretty much all I have for technical analysis, because I'm pretty much repeating myself at this point that we're gonna go lower. We're gonna go lower.
Yeah. It hasn't changed.
Yeah. So now for the important news, this whole Trezor fiasco that's going on. So there's phishing attacks going on. Trezor discloses 66 users affected by this phishing attack. So pretty much anybody that contacted the Trezor team is in risk of being phished. So never open on your emails, never open anything crypto related, never open any links, because it might be a phishing attempt. So that's kind of key that you could do to keep yourself safe. Just don't open links on emails and you'll be safe. So yeah, Trezor has flagged the security breach that exposed the contact information nearly 66,000 users. So the wallet is safe. No, they still can't steal anything from your wallet or anything like that, but information has been stolen, so they could use your email address to try to steal your money.
They can also sell your data to other companies.
Yeah.
Stealing it. So I mean, it's still bad. It's not really bad, but it's still bad. Just because they can sell your data to other companies.
Yeah, but yeah. So pretty much how most phishing attacks work is you'll get an email saying, oh, this is the Trezor team, you need to update your Trezor, click on this link, and then when you click on the link it tells you put your seed phrase, and then once you put it, they steal all your money. So that's usually how it goes. They send you links, so you could put like your password, your username, and then they just steal everything. So yeah, even banks, like, they could phish information from you, like saying, oh, this is, let's say, Bank of America or Chase. This is an update. Please update your password and username, and you log in using their link and you just gave them all your information. So yeah, so just be careful out there. Never click on links on emails. Alright, so here's this article. This might be a reason why Bitcoin has been crashing lately. So ever since Greyscale got its Bitcoin ETF, there's no longer a need to have the Bitcoin trust. So people are selling so they could buy the ETF. So here it says global investment bank JP Morgan has warned an additional outflow from Grayscale's Bitcoin fund, cautioning that it will put further pressure on Bitcoin price over the coming weeks. So yeah, so there's pretty much a sell-off going now, and people are getting scared, and people that leverage trade are getting liquidated, which is causing a bigger crash, just because Grayscale is selling Bitcoin, but they're gonna buy it back for the Bitcoin ETF. So it's kind of a funny situation going on there. We got a little bit of a troll news right here. So we got Jim Cramer saying Mad Money host Jim Cramer sees nasty beginnings to Bitcoin sell-off. He warned of a Bitcoin sell-off. So now he's saying Bitcoin's going to crash. So he has pretty much become a meme at this point.
Yeah.
That many ex-users view Cramer's
with all the things he's gotten wrong, and everything going the opposite of what he says, it's ham meme at this point.
Yeah, right here. Many ex-users view Cramer's bearish statement about Bitcoin's price as a bullish sign. The Cramer effect has become a popular meme in the crypto world, with many observing that BTC often does the opposite of what Cramer predicts. If he's bullish, expect a bearish swing, and vice versa.
Yep.
So we got some other news, a little bit crypto related. Donald Trump is saying that he will never allow CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, if he's elected. So that's kind of a big incentive to elect Donald Trump. In a way, I'm still rooting for Kennedy, but I don't think he's gonna get it.
Yeah, me neither. No, maybe I think Donald and the other guy. I think he's probably gonna make Vivek Ramsway or something. He might make him his like vice president. I don't know. That would be crazy. Because he's like Middle Eastern, I think.
Oh. Yeah, that would be interesting.
Yeah.
Here it is. Justin, Donald Trump says, as president, I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency. Such a currency would give our federal government absolute control over your money.
Tonight, I'm also making another promise to protect Americans from government tyranny. As your president, I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency. You know about that? Ooh. I didn't know you know so much. I'm very well. New Hampshire, very smart people, very current. You know what they're doing. Such a currency would give a federal government, our federal government, the absolute control over your money. They could take your money, you wouldn't even know it was gone. This would be a dangerous threat to freedom, and I will stop it from coming to a...
Yeah. Pretty much give them control to have your money expired, or just have them buy whatever the government wants you to buy or not buy, like gasoline or stuff like that.
Yeah. CBDCs are horrible idea.
I want to go over this article that I got from Lark Davis. He's pretty good. He has some pretty good information here. So yeah, he talks about BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF has become the first to hit 1 billion in assets, and then Fidelity also joined the 1 billion club, and it has also overtaken the silver ETF. So the only one that's left is the gold ETF. So it's looking good. It's looking good.
Let's hope it keeps that. Let's hope it keeps trending that way.
Here's some other news. Some kind of little bit of a bumpy road for Ethereum. So Ethereum had a little 4-hour delay because of a software bug. So they're doing test nets to upgrade, and their first test net had a bug in it. So it took 4 hours to fix that. The next testnet is gonna be January 31st, and then the next one February 7, and they were finally gonna go to the main net at the end of February. So usually when we have big events like this, it's buy the rumor, sell the news, I think. So pretty much at those dates, the price usually crashes, kind of like the Bitcoin ETF. How we finally got the news. And it crashed. So usually big events that people are waiting for, we usually see a crash afterwards because there's no more excitement. So the price plummets, and then it slowly recovers. That's usually how it happens. I liked it. I like this one. Argentina has seen its first agreement between a landlord and a tenant signed in Bitcoin. Back in December, it was announced that contractual agreements could be paid in Bitcoin. So yeah, so now they're starting to use Bitcoin to pay rent.
That's good. That's definitely good.
So yeah, so Bitcoin is finally being used in other countries. It's not just an investment like here in the US.
The more time goes on, you start seeing it all over the place, but we'll go over that later. Some posts on X that I want to show because they have something similar to this.
Oh yeah? Alright. It's a President Melly at Davos 2024. I want to actually see this. I haven't seen this video yet. And they thought I was going to follow their script. So he was at the World Economic Forum. Yeah, he was defying the status quo. I actually want to see this speech. I haven't seen it. And I guess they're saying that there's gonna be massive inflation because what's going on at the Red Sea. So usually with inflation we see assets increase. And then we have some projects here that's worth looking at. We have this one, Celesta. There's gonna be airdrops in Celesta if anybody's interested in it. Get into it, learn how to use these projects, and you'll get free money just for using these projects. Jupiter's another one on the Solana network. Just buy something using Jupiter on the Solana network, and January 31st you'll get free money just for using on decentralized exchange. Yeah, right here. It was right here. They actually highlighted it. Jupiter exchange token launch is set for January 31st. So it's a highly anticipated DEX, a decentralized exchange for Solana. So this is gonna be major. And people that use it now, you'll get paid for supporting the project. Yeah, that's all I have for that. So what is it that you wanted to show on X?
Okay. You can go ahead and.
So we went over this one.
Cryptocurrencies, there are two types. There's a cryptocurrency which might actually do something. Think of a cryptocurrency as an embedded smart contract in it, and that we can use it, buy and sell real estate, and move data. That may have value.
The idea of tokenizing.
Tokenizing things that you do something with. And then there's one which does nothing. I call it the pet rock, the Bitcoin or something like that. And so on the Bitcoin...
Notice Argentina, you're paying rent with Bitcoin.
There are use cases. AML, fraud, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance,
Pay rent?
Those are real use cases, and you see it being used for hundreds, maybe 50, $100 billion a year for that. That is the end use case. Everything else is people.
Yeah, he's full of shit.
Themselves. So
Speculate.
Yeah, but you know, it's always good to show people this type of things, just you know, so they can keep themselves updated as well. But the other stuff, what is it? Bitcoin becomes the second largest ETF commodity in the U.S., surpassing silver.
Oh.
I mean, I thought that was pretty interesting to just to see happen. They also have the Uber CEO has said that he will 100% definitely accept Bitcoin and crypto payments in the future. I mean, that can be pretty big for Uber.
Oh, for Uber.
For Uber. Yeah, Uber CEO. So like, you know, if that happens, you have things like DoorDash, you have things like Uber Eats, obviously Uber Eats. You know, all those companies that
Go-Kart or GoPuff. Yeah.
To get food or other type of stuff delivered to you. So that was pretty good.
Yeah.
I also have some. Did you check it out? Go a little bit more down, Eric, on the tweets.
Oh, that's the thing that you were talking about, the Uber CEO.
On the usual. Yeah, Dave Portoni from Bartool Sports. That guy had something. He bought. What was it? He had bought some.
Save.
Yes, he bought some Save. The exact minute Save announced restructuring, per the Wall Street Journal, making his investment fall. And you have a little graph of like
how it fit.
25% immediately after he had purchased some, which is that sucks super bad for him.
I wonder how much he bought. Does it say how much he bought? Poor Davis.
They also have the Altcoin Daily little meme, the cat meme.
Alright, I want to see this. Buy Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin? I actually like Altcoin Daily. Have you seen his videos?
They're pretty funny. Well, the memes they're making is pretty funny.
Yeah, Altcoin Daily has some good stuff.
Right, BlackRock now holds 25,000 Bitcoin.
Oh, there you go.
Worth over $1 billion.
For their spot. Yeah.
For their spot on the ETF. So, man, that's pretty interesting. That other one, I guess we can discuss the other Lark Davis video because it's just 9 minutes. That's gonna take way too long to.
Check this out though. BTC, already the 10th largest asset globally, proves the store of value. So number one is gold, then Microsoft, Apple. Is that the oil in Saudi Arabia? Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, silver, Meta, and then Bitcoin.
It goes to show. Just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
And Jamie Dimon still talking shit.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's his job to make people not want to buy it so that they could buy it for cheaper. Now, the video that I wanted to show you, that one exactly. Yeah, pick
this one.
Yep, click on that one right there. Yeah, perfect. So this is a restaurant in Vietnam.
In Vietnam?
But yeah, in Vietnam, where somebody paid with Bitcoin. So paying for burgers with Bitcoin over Lightning in Vietnam.
Oh, Lightning. They're actually using Lightning?
They used it. Well, apparently, right? They say they used Lightning. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but there was a purchase of food being made in a restaurant using Lightning, which I think is pretty cool.
Is that Kevin?
Shout out, Kevin.
There you go.
Amazing. And
there you go, proving Jamie Dimon wrong again.
like always, I mean, at this point. And That's it. That's all. That's all for the Twitter post there. Not much.
And then you got that
Besides-
the treasure thing
yeah.
again.
Yeah, but we had already discussed that one.
Cool.
Mhm.
So I am going to, for my regular portfolio, I'm going to put $70 into Bitcoin for my regular portfolio, and then we're starting a new one, which is the Degen portfolio, where we're gonna do $50 on the most degenerate coins that you could think of. Alright, so for your regular portfolio, what do you want?
Just Bitcoin.
Just Bitcoin as well?
Yep, just Bitcoin.
Alright, $70 on Bitcoin. So now, do you want to share the banter? You want me to go first, and then actually you go first.
Go ahead.
You go first. And I don't know if you want to show the banter bubbles or.
Okay, sure. I'll show the banter.
Alright, so let me stop streaming, and then I guess show yours.
There we go.
What is this?
This is a coin called here, Samo.
Samo.
So the purpose of this whole coin, which you can find right here, it says our mission: establish Samoid coin as Solana's ambassador by pushing the limits of what's possible for a Web3 community. Our strategy: provide market participants with the knowledge, resources, and community to better Solana, crypto, and life. Now, it was supposed to be some degenerate stuff, but that to me sounds pretty interesting. If you ask me, that sounds pretty interesting. And this next one, which is the Omnicat.
Well, that one grew a lot.
Yeah, for sure. And it's these two projects are backed by Solana, by the way, and this one's also powered by Layer Zero. I don't know if anybody knows about Layer Zero. I have some things that I can say about Layer Zero right here. But Omnicat is the first omni-chain meme coin powered by Layer Zero. Omni exists on the 6 EVM chains as well as Solana. Users are able to bridge and darb all 7 pools of each ecosystem seamlessly thanks to OFT standard created by Layer Zero. We currently exist on Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Canto, BCC, BSC, and Base, which is that's a lot.
Yeah.
That is a lot.
So you have you could buy it almost anywhere of the major ones.
Most of the major markets you can buy these. And they're ranked pretty high. There's Omnicat's 760. And then you have the Samo. It's higher. It's 568.
568.
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna do $50. Are you gonna split it half and half or?
You know what? I'll do like how much are we doing?
50.
So this one, I guess I do what, 40-10? 40 Omni, 10 Samo.
40 Omni, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna share my screen now.
Go ahead.
Alright. Hold on. Alright. So mine is gonna be Saucer Swap. There's this alien looking one. It's ranked 552. And this is a decentralized exchange. So it's a DeFi play. But this one is being built on, what's it called? Hedera? I believe it's being built on. Let me find it. So right now I'm using Tokenmetrics, and this one has a 90% trader grade. So it's really good on technical analysis, and for the overvalued, it's way like overvalued and undervalued. This thing is undervalued. So there's a chance, and according to this trader thing, it's a strong buy. Want me to look at yours, the Omnicat, see where it's at?
It's at 560, I think. 563.
Omnicat, right here.
Or do you? Okay, go ahead. Yeah, sure.
Damn, yours has no data.
Yeah, 'cause
But it's all been good.
It's a meme coin.
All right, so I'm gonna do all 50 on saucer swap.
Oh, you're just going all out on.
I'm going all out on saucer swap,
Fair enough.
and we'll see next week how we do. Since Bitcoin is crashing, we're probably gonna lose our asses off. This is all synthetic, by the way. So yeah, that's all I got. You got any comments, concerns?
No, just buy Bitcoin.
Just
Pretty much it. And then just keep on checking your profiles or the projects. If Bitcoin keeps falling down, then check your projects and see any way you can save money, just in case any of them you start losing a lot of money because of Bitcoin's price drop.
yeah, pretty much how it goes. Just buy on the way down, buy on the way up.
Yes, sir.
Pick a certain day and just keep buying. That's all we got. See you next week.